Hello students, welcome back. Today we are going to start with the introduction part for exercise 3.3 and 3.4. This introduction part is very much important. Please concentrate properly so that you can solve exercise 3.3 and 3.4. This is the part 1. So let us start. We are going to first understand the definition of quadrilateral, which already I have discussed. A polygon having only 4 sides is called quadrilaterals. Here I have drawn for you A, B, C, D, 4 sides A, B, B, C, C, D and D, A is called quadrilaterals. Now let me discuss elements of quadrilateral so that you must be familiar with the different elements of the quadrilateral, which is very much important for solving. So please pay attention. The first is the sides. In quadrilateral, this is the symbol for quadrilateral. Every time when I write this, you must be understanding that this is the meaning of quadrilateral. So in quadrilateral A, B, C, D, the 4 line segments AB, AB, BC, CD and DA are called its sides. Coming to adjacent sides, if two sides having a common point, then they are called as adjacent to each other. Here you can see AB, adjacent of AB is BC and AD, right? Because both of them meeting at one point. Similarly, adjacent of BC will be AB and CD. Similarly, adjacent of CD will be BC and AD. Same way, AD, adjacent of AD will be AB and CD. So whenever I say adjacent side, that means the two sides having the common points between them is known as adjacent sides. Now coming to opposite sides. Opposite sides is opposite of adjacent side. There is no common point between them. Here you can say AD and BC. They have no common point between them. So they are known as opposite sides. So here AB and CD are opposite sides of each other and AD and BC are opposite sides of each other. Let me show you. AB and CD are opposite sides and AD and BC are opposite sides. Diagonals, already I have given the definition of diagonals and you know it very well. So diagonals are AC and BD joining the vertices, but vertices must not be adjacent vertices. So it must be the vertices other than adjacent vertices. So AC and BD are diagonals. Now opposite angles. First of all, angles, let me take angles. Quadrilateral is having 4 angles: angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D. We can also write angle DAB because it is in between. Angle DAB, so angle A, ABC, so angle B, BCD, so angle C, and CDA, so angle D. It is having 4 angles. And opposite angle, if I am talking about, so angle A and angle C are opposite of each other, and angle B and angle D are opposite angles of each other. Now comes adjacent angles. Again, adjacent angles. Let me show you. What is the adjacent angles of angle A? Adjacent means the one is consecutive after A. After A is D and B. So adjacent angle of A is B and angle D. Similarly, adjacent angle of B will be angle C and angle A. Same way, if I am talking about adjacent angle of C, it will be angle B and angle D. And what is the adjacent angle of D? It will be A and C. Hope you have understood these 7 elements of quadrilateral. Now let us move to the types of quadrilaterals. And here the main portion comes. Types of quadrilateral. There are three main types and there are sub parts also. So let me take first three parts: trapezium, kite and parallelogram are the three main parts, and sub part after that. Parallelogram is having three parts: rhombus, rectangle and square. So eventually rhombus, rectangle and square are also called quadrilaterals. Well, they are also known as parallelogram because they are a subsection of parallelogram, but they are also quadrilaterals. So these are types of quadrilaterals. Now, what are the definitions of trapezium? Which quadrilaterals are called trapezium? Which quadrilaterals are called kite? And which quadrilaterals are called parallelogram? And under parallelogram, which parallelogram is called rhombus, which parallelogram is called rectangle, and which parallelogram is square? All we will discuss in part 2 of introduction lecture. Hope you have understood this part, and please go through it once more so that you can understand properly the exercise. We will meet with second part in new lecture. Till then, take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.